Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm very glad you guys are joining us today because I am finally doing my signature, highly requested oatmeal video recipe, handcrafted by me, and today I'm going to show you guys how it's done. So this recipe, ready, calls for 1/2 cup of whole grain oats, quick oats. You want to get the healthy version, right? Some cinnamon, make sure you got the ground cinnamon, no sugar cinnamon, none of that bull crap. And then you got the unsweetened almond milk. You can get vanilla sweetened, whatever. If you don't have almond milk, get the good old, blue cap, good stuff. And then a nice elder banana. You can do a fresh banana, who knows, but get rid of your old shitty bananas with this recipe. Get right into this recipe. So first thing is first, you need a pot. A nice slick steel pot, does not stick to anything, okay? Sit on your scale, turn your scale on, boop. And then you get your oats out, right? And you just want to do like about a 1/2 cup, right? Which is about 40 grams. 1/2 cup, whatever works for you guys. There you go. Once you get that 40 grams in, just slap it right on there. And what you want to do is actually reset your scale. And you're going to go ahead and go with a cup of milk. And I'm going with the almond unsweetened here. This is about 240 grams. And boom, there you go. Perfect amount of milk. I kind of went over a little bit, but who the hell cares, right? Am I right? So, anyway, slap that on the stove. Get your cinnamon. You're trying to go for about 5 pumps. Hold on. Alright, bam. So you want to go with about 5 pumps of your good old cinnamon. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we'll shake it a little bit for the 5. Alright, it's 5. You're enough. Close that shit up. As you can see, it looks like a little brown soup. And then, for the final step, you get that old rusty ass banana, right? You always want to bite off the tip, just to make sure it's still good. Get your knife out, right? Just slice in there. Now, if you're going with thin slices, the flavor and the sugar of the banana blends right in, right? Thicker slices, it kind of gives like that chunky, that feeling of a banana being inside of your oatmeal. So, if you want thin slices, it blends in right in. You want to feel it. But if you're a texture kind of person, I suggest going with the thin slices. If you don't really care, go with the big slices. I prefer to go kind of in the middle. So there you go. Go the rest of the way, just like that. Then you get your spoon out, your nice good old wooden spoon, classic spoon. Give it a little shake before you turn the heat on. Get it all mixed in, and then you want to turn this boy on about medium to high heat just for the start, and then we'll turn it back down to like 3. It doesn't really matter, okay? You just want to get the boiling for about a minute. So, while that's going, guys, what I usually do in between is I will get my skillet out and start making some fat eggs. All right, I go with, the cage-free browns. You know what I'm saying? That's a good old eggs. So I do about 4 of those every day. But since it's just an oatmeal video, not an egg tutorial, because you guys aren't good enough for that, we're sticking with the oatmeal. So no eggs this time. No egg tutorial. That's for another one. Because all you guys do is roast my fucking oatmeal, and I'm tired of it. So, yeah. We're going to wait while it's cooked. So, intermission. So while it's getting up to boil, you're going to want to stir it a little bit. As you see, you want to get those juices going around, right? Get that cinnamon, the banana, the milk, all the oats. Get them all mixed in, like a nice little blend. You're going to do that ever so often until it gets up to boil. And yeah. Is it going? Mm-hmm. All right. So, anyways, as you can see, guys, the oatmeal is looking done right here. Stir it a little bit. So once it's done, I'm gonna go grab a bowl. Bowl. Grab yourself a bowl. Any color would work. Preferably a nice, clean white bowl. And you give it one final stir. And then, what you want to do very quickly, in one swift motion, turn off the heat. You want to plop your oatmeal right into the bowl. So it's hot. You want to get it all from the edges there. And then you instantly, before you even take a bite, right, you want to get that thing soaking. You want to get it soaking. Because, if you guys know about oatmeal, that shit is a pain in the ass in a dry bowl. I'm telling you right now. So get that shit soaked. Then, for the final straws, what you want to do is go ahead and get your utensil. I use a fork because I'm cool. Spoons are a little weird. So, you want to do that is you want to grab your syrup, and you're going to go, while it's hot, about 3 to 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3. I do about 3. And then get your butter. Oh shit, that was heavy. Get your butter out, right? And then you probably want to do this first. Actually, I got a little I'm gonna do the forbidden technique. Stir it around in there. And then you're just gonna grab a big, about a tablespoon is good. I usually do about this much, nothing crazy, right? Dip it in there, and while it's hot, it actually mixes that flavor all up in there. So, now trust me, this oatmeal is not a plain oatmeal, right? This is a high-tech, high-technology oatmeal with tons of flavor, right? You got the butter and the banana. That's enough flavor for this damn oatmeal, okay? I don't know how greedy you guys can get, but like I said, this is a fucking healthy recipe, not no junk food. Anyways, that's it. Okay, I'm telling you right now, it looks weird at first, but once it starts to settle down the heat, all right, it starts to look scrumptious, diddly dumptious. Okay, I'm telling you. And then for the final touch, what I like to do, just for the aesthetic, right? Grab yourself a nice piece of bread. Boom, bread. So you get the bread, and there you go. You set it right there. It looks nice and good. Actually, you probably want to toast it first. Anyways, get that. Take some blueberries and slap it on the top. Look at that, nice and good. Now this toast wouldn't be lopsided like that because it would be hard and toasted, right? Now if you tell me that it looks disgusting, you're silly. You're absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. But yeah, that's it. So I appreciate for you guys watching. Stay until the end. And that's the oatmeal. I'll do a little taste test for you to prove to you that I can actually eat this. Okay, and I'm not gonna throw up. It's hot.